Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox closes instantly after launching on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. In here you just need to find the Roblox folder, just right click on it and select delete it. After deleting this folder, just close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, go to search menu and type disk cleanup. Click on open it. Select the C drive and select OK. You just need to select the cleanup system files option. Select the C drive and select OK option. And now you just need to make sure all the boxes are checked over here in this list. After that, I click on OK and select the delete files option. And you just need to wait for this to complete. After getting done, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type add or remove programs. Click on open it. In search apps, you just need to search for Roblox. Click on the 3 dot icon next to Roblox and select uninstall. Do the same thing for Roblox Studio. After uninstalling it, just close stuff here and open up Chrome and search Roblox download. Select the first link. Select the download Windows app option. After getting download done, you can install it. After the installation done, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.